Welcome to WAP tool. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to connect your Meta WhatsApp Business Cloud API with WAP tool in just a few minutes. Once connected, you'll be able to automate replies, manage conversations, and scale your customer communication directly from your CRM. After logging into WAP tool, go to the left sidebar and click on API Setup. Here, you'll see the WhatsApp API connection page. The easiest way to connect is using the automated Meta integration. Simply click on Connect with Meta. A Meta login window will open. Log in using the Facebook account that manages your WhatsApp business account. Next, select your Business Manager account. Then choose the WhatsApp business account you want to connect with WAP tool. Meta will now ask for permissions. Make sure all permissions are enabled so WAP tool can send and receive WhatsApp messages properly. Then click Continue. Great! Your WhatsApp Cloud API is now connected successfully. WAP tool will automatically import your phone number ID, WABA ID, and access token directly from Meta. Once the details are auto-filled, simply click on Save Configuration to complete the setup. And your WhatsApp integration will be activated instantly. If you want to configure the API manually, start by opening the Meta Developer platform. Go to developers.facebook.com and log in with your Facebook account. Log in using the Facebook account connected to your Business Manager and WhatsApp business account. After logging in, open your existing Meta app or create a new app if you haven't created one yet. If you don't already have an app, click Create App. Choose Business as the app type, then continue the setup process. Inside the app dashboard, scroll down to Add Products, find WhatsApp, and click Setup. Meta will now open the WhatsApp API Setup page. Here you'll find all the credentials required for WAP tool integration. First, select your existing WhatsApp business account, or create a new one if needed. Now add your WhatsApp display name. This is the business name and other details customers will see while chatting with you. Now, phone number you want to use with WhatsApp Cloud API. Enter your business number carefully, then verify it using the OTP sent by Meta. Before going live, you must add a payment method to your WhatsApp business account. Without a payment method, message delivery may stop after the free conversation limit. Meta will now guide you through the WhatsApp business setup process. Click Add Payment Method, then enter your card or billing information and save the payment setup. Once your number is verified, open the API Setup section inside the WhatsApp product dashboard and switch your test number into verified number. Now copy the phone number ID from the API Setup section. Return to WAP tool and paste the phone number ID into the correct field. Next, copy the WhatsApp business account ID, also known as the WABA ID. Paste the WABA ID into WAP tool. Now let's generate a permanent access token. Temporary tokens expire quickly and may disconnect your API. Now let's generate a permanent access token. Temporary tokens expire quickly and may disconnect your API. Go to Meta Business Settings, open business.facebook.com/settings. Then navigate to Users arrow, System Users. Create a new system user if you don't already have one. Set the role to Admin. Assign your WhatsApp business account assets and permissions to the system user. Now click Generate New Token. Select your app, choose Permanent Access Permissions, and generate the token. Copy the Permanent Access token carefully. Return to WAP tool and paste the token into the Permanent Access Token field. Finally, click Save Configuration. WAP tool will verify your credentials and connect your WhatsApp Cloud API automatically. Your manual WhatsApp Cloud API setup is now complete. After saving your API credentials in WAP tool, scroll down to the webhook configuration section. This webhook allows Meta and WAP tool to communicate in real time for incoming messages and delivery updates. Copy the webhook callback URL provided by WAP tool. Now return to your Meta developer dashboard, then open WhatsApp arrow configuration. Paste the WAP tool webhook URL into the callback URL field. Next, enter the same verify token that you added earlier inside WAP tool API setup. Make sure the verify token matches exactly in both platforms. Once both fields are completed, click Verify and Save. After successful verification, scroll down to Webhook Fields. Enable subscriptions for messaging events so WAP tool can receive WhatsApp updates instantly. Turn on subscriptions for messages, message status updates, and message delivery events. Perfect! Your webhook connection is now active. WAP tool can now receive incoming WhatsApp messages, delivery updates, and automation events in real time. You can start sending messages, automating conversations, and managing leads directly from WAP tool.